Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In today's video, the 10 series part 8, we shall be discussing about past perfect tense. I had promised you that I shall be making a video for this particular section. So children, in this tense, we study that action which takes place before past time. Although we know that the structure of past tense is subject plus had plus be third plus object. But in this special video, which is totally dedicated on the past perfect tense, we shall be discussing a little bit more. So, before getting any delay, we shall be starting this video. So get started. So here, past perfect tense part 8. This is the 8th part of my tense series video. So the note says what? Here, have a look. We use this tense to describe an action which took place before a past time. Which took place before a past time means to say that in past perfect tense we shall study those actions which has already taken place in a late past time. Is it? So now we shall discuss about the 3 different structures of past perfect tense. Here, have a look at structure number 1. See. Structure number 1 says subject plus had plus be third plus object plus before plus subject plus be2 plus object. That means 2 actions will take place in the past time, and the interval and the time gapping between the both of the actions is large. In that condition, in that particular condition, we should use the past perfect tense and this particular structure. Say, example, the patient had died before the doctor came. Here 2 actions took place. The coming of the doctor and the dying of the patient. Both took place in the past time. But what action took place earlier? The dying of the patient took place earlier. Later on the doctor came, and the gap of the time between both of the action was large. That's why this sentence is in past perfect tense. Now structure number 2. Subject plus be2 plus object plus but plus subject plus had plus be third plus object. In this section we shall use simple past tense first and then past perfect next. And but is a word which will connect both of the sentences. See here. The doctor came, but the patient had died. The coming of the doctor, it is in the simple past tense, and the dying of the patient is in past perfect tense. Now, structure number 3. Subject plus be2 plus object plus before plus subject plus be2 plus object. In this third and final structure of past perfect tense, we shall study those actions which is taking place simultaneously, just one after another. The distance between 2 actions are very less, which we also consider this structure in the past perfect tense. So here, have a look. Again, I am repeating the structure number 4. Subject plus V2 plus object plus V4 plus subject plus V2 plus object. That is 2 simple past tense. First simple past tense structure is here and next simple past tense structure is here. Both are connected with before. Example, he kissed his child before he went to office. 2 actions takes place. Father is going to the office and before going to the office he kissed his child. So the time gap between kissing of the father and going to his office is very less. In that condition we shall use 2 times simple past structure connected with before. Is it? Now we shall have a little bit look of those adverb of time which we frequently use in the study of past perfect tense. So, see here. Adverb of time. Ago, earlier, before, long. Before, long. Long ago, already. In the past, previously. So, my children, I hope you must have understood this video. And this video, you learned a particular kind of action which took place before the past time. Is it? We also learned 3 different structures related to the past perfect tense. We came to know that 2 actions are taking place, and these both 2 actions, one action is taking place and the second action is taking place, and between both of them the gap of the time is large. That's why one sentence will be of past perfect structure and another sentence will be of the simple past tense structure. In the structure number 3, we saw that 2 actions are taking place, but the time gap between both of the 2 actions are very less. These are very less, and due to that less time interval, we are using simple past tense structure 2 times connected with before. Children, I hope you must have understood this video very well. Wait for my next video, which is full of interest. Till then, take care of yourself. Keep yourself fit, fine and healthy. Bye.